If you're new to our channel, we have been exploring the island of Oahu. Today is our first day venturing in Waikiki, and we want to show you guys the south side of the island in this video.
That's right, and currently we are on a sunrise mission here at Waikiki Beach, which is an extension of Waikiki Beach. Right now we're just waiting for the sun to pop out, and hopefully the colors look really nice for some amazing footage. We actually got into Waikiki last night, but it was so busy. There were so many people on the beach. And I don't know about you, but we really like it when it's a little bit quieter. Just like this morning, there weren't that many people and the conditions were still fantastic. And of course, it's Hawaii, so it's always going to be warm. Now, if you haven't seen our Four Seasons video, make sure to go and check that out, where we had a lot of nice fine dining options, which was delicious. But our mission today is to find some great cheap eats to switch it up a little bit, and hopefully we find something great to share with you guys.
We got the beef and butter rice in a set that came with miso soup and kimchi and a drink. And I swear Jason was saying that it was so good every 2 minutes throughout the time that we were eating it.
It really was good, honestly, and the price was really affordable. I think it came out to 17 US, which is honestly quite good for everything that you're getting. And now we are heading over to our second spot. I know, we're gonna be eating a lot, and it's actually this Japanese udon place.
Stand in line?
Yeah, it's hard. I don't know. Okay, it's so well rated. I feel like it's worth it. At the same time, it's really hot out here, and I'm burning up. I think we should wait.
Marukame Udon really hit the spot. We did opt out of getting some of the sides like musubi and tempura just because we had just eaten. But so far, it's our top choice for cheap eats in Waikiki. And there's a reason why it's so well rated. I think #1 on TripAdvisor.
That's right. Even though we're stuffed, our little mini food tour cannot end without getting dessert.
We left Waikiki this evening to show you guys a little bit more of the south coast. Here we are at Halona Blowhole Lookout. A beautiful view of the ocean and a beautiful spot to be swimming and to lounge on the beach with the rock formations just circling the enclave. Let's go see what it looks like from the beach.
Just a mere 7 minutes from the Halona viewpoint, you can find yourself at the Lighthouse Trail. Now the official name, I don't know how to pronounce it. What's it called?
It's the Makapu'u Point Lighthouse Trail.
Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. It is paved. It only takes about half an hour to get there. So this is fantastic for people who have strollers, someone who may not be such an experienced hiker. maybe someone in a wheelchair. You do have to push quite a bit, but it is a trail for everyone, and apparently the views are fantastic. So let's go and see.
Good morning from Ka'awa Beach. Here we are on the East Coast at a hidden gem that our friends Amon and Jai shared with us. It's such a beautiful spot, very local. There's no official parking, but the sand here is so soft. The water is quite calm, and it's one of the best vantage points that you'll ever get of these mountains. We also managed to spot a whale playing around in the water just from the beach. It was such a cool sight to see, and I wish we got it on camera, but hopefully we'll be able to see some more whales throughout this trip. At this moment, I'm now wading in the water here at Sharks Cove. The water is really chilly, I would say, but it's so calm. A really good spot for snorkeling. I can already start seeing fish when the water's just at my waist. So I'm gonna go grab the action camera and we can see what it looks like underwater. I cut myself. Still have some blood on my sandals. I definitely regret making fun of Jason for wearing water shoes because I think water shoes would have been a good idea to bring on this trip.
See? I got water shoes. So guys, if you guys are coming to Sharks Cove, make sure to have water shoes. And the reason why is because there are a lot of sharp rocks. And you saw what happened to Lauren. You guys don't want that. I'm okay though.
One of our missions for exploring the North Shore was to see a green sea turtle. They're called honu here in Hawaii, and we were kind of losing hope out there, but we finally saw one on Laniakea Beach, just sunbathing, soaking it all in, and taking a nap. But after being out here for about 5 or 6 hours, we were super hungry, so our goal now is to look for the famous food trucks that they have out here on the North Shore.
Okay, so we did it. We found a spot that has a ton of different food trucks, and it is currently raining, but that's okay because it's warm here. It's still really, really nice. We're so hungry. There's tons of different options, so we're really excited to explore them all. But there is one in particular that's called Giovanni's, right? Giovanni's. We've heard a lot about this place. Apparently they serve shrimp. That's all we know. Let's go try it out.
We had to try the renowned garlic shrimp at Giovanni's food truck. Now the flavor is really good, but the pricing was a whopping $16 for a platter of rice and garlic shrimp. So value-wise, it wasn't our favorite. The lineup is also very long, so the experience kind of tapered off and is a little overrated for us. There are other food trucks in the same lot, so I recommend, if you're not a huge fan of garlic shrimp, trying out the other food options in the same lot.
After a really long day exploring the North Shore of Oahu, Lord and I checked into our accommodations here in Waikiki. We will be staying at the Embassy Suites by Hilton, and I want to show you guys really quickly our ocean view corner suite on the very top floor. So, right by the entrance, you have a little coffee and tea station, and as you walk to the right, you have a really spacious king bedroom with your own TV, your closet, as well as an ensuite bathroom. Now let's head over to the living room. Now, the living room is probably one of my favorite parts of this entire stay. You have a wonderful comfy couch, your own TV, a little seating area if you want to dine or anything like that. But here's the best part, and it's this incredible 180-degree view of Waikiki along with Waikiki Beach. Right down there, again, I'll change it for the other B-roll, is that you can actually see a huge stretch of Waikiki Beach, so you can see everybody just relaxing. You can see more of the ocean views on this side. Behind us, you actually get these gorgeous mountain views. And of course, from this top floor, what we can actually see is the pool. And that's something we're gonna show you guys tomorrow because we do have a cabana booked. So we're super excited to show you the amenities on the 4th floor. That's where the pool is.